$1,650.67 from this one app. That's what we'll be talking about today. And if you're interested, take the 31-day Cash App Challenge here. There's a playlist in this video somewhere in the description, in the little info box, wherever you see it. Check it out. You can do 31 apps in 31 days. You can do quicker if you want to as well. Really cool apps in this playlist. Cashback apps, make money watching videos, listening to music, free stock apps, free Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and more. And most of these apps have referral programs as well, so you can make more money that way as well. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Smash the like button, share this video, like this video, comment, whatever you want to do. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. And if you're interested in seeing the exact system that people just like you and myself use to go from making $0 to making $100 per day, even more in some cases, check out the top link in the video description below as well. 10 lesson free course there that walks you the steps to create a successful online business. It's free to sign up. There's no credit card needed or anything like that. Really, really, really cool. There's a large community of people there to help you out. Of course, there's a premium package as well if you want to join that. But the free tier has so much information there. You're going to see if it's something you want to do. And it's really, really cool. Endless opportunity, zero risk. Check it out. Okay, so today's video, we're going to show you how this app works, how to make money, some reviews, tips and tricks to make even more money, and then some bonus apps at the end of the video. Stick around for that indeed. All right, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, here's the app right here loading up, and you can see the lifetime cash back. Cool, 1,600 bucks, a little bit more than that. Anyway, so this app is a cashback app, and you could make money by referring people as well. And I'm going to show you a couple things about this app. It all adds up. It's very simple to use. In fact, you can just set it and forget it. Basically, you earn cash back when you shine, dine, or travel. Simply download the app, link your credit cards, and start earning. No coupons or receipt scanning. Just cash that adds up into your wallet simply by shopping the way you normally do. It's awesome. All right, so basically, you just stick your cards up, bam, and you're good to go. When you shop at these different places here, there's a bunch of them, more than this. You get cash back automatically added to your Dosh app. You don't have to do anything extra. As long as your debit cards or credit cards or whatever are synced up to the app, it's all good to go. It's very simple to use, and I've been getting cash back for a while now, and I refer people as well, so please do use my referral code. And they always change the rate. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10. Sometimes you'll get something out of it. Sometimes we both get something. Sometimes it's just always, they change it all the time. And at the time you're watching this video, I don't know what it's going to be. But you refer people, you get even more money. It's awesome. It's a win-win-win situation for everyone here involved. And basically here, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's, like I said, it's very simple. I'm gonna show you some reviews here in a second, and a place to refer people to get even more money. So yeah, let's take a look at some of the reviews on the iOS store and the Android Play Store, Google Play Store, whatever it's called. So this is the iOS store here, and we have a 4.7 out of 5. Very nice. A lot of 5-star rankings out of over 100,000 reviews here. Very good indeed. On the Android side of things, we have a 4.5 out of 5, over 41,000 total reviews. Very, very good stuff. Mostly 5 stars, as you can see there. Very good indeed. Of course, you're always going to have some that are lower, but whatever. Anyways, let's move along. All right, some tips and tricks to get some more money, bonus apps, and how to get some referrals. Let's take a look at this. So some tips and tricks is I use many apps at once. You stack them apps, you stack the apps, that's what we call it, stacking apps. So I have a bunch of other apps. Check out the playlist, 31 cash apps in 31 days. There's all kind of other apps on here. In fact, Dosh is the one we're talking about today. There's actually another video for that. but there's other websites that you can use to make even more cash back, and sometimes you get cash back from 2 or 3 of these different places. And then when you want to refer people, I have another video for that as well. You can check that one out. I'll put a link in the video description below for all this stuff. Check those out, because when you refer people, you make even more money. And I have a place that I've been using to refer people from, as well as YouTube videos. Make a video about this app, similar to this one or whatever. Do a payment proof video, do a review video of the app, whatever you want to do, and then put your referral code in the description and in the video, like I'm doing now, because you want to refer people just like I'm referring you. So, you know, very cool way to do it. And like I said, there's another video I have about a free place you can refer people as well. You can post your links on social media, of course. Really cool stuff here. These apps are great. You know, you make some money here and there. I just set it and forget it, and then all of a sudden, like, I log in and I have X amount of dollars or whatever laying around in there, and I just transfer it to my PayPal account or Venmo, or right to your bank account as well. So those are the 3 places you can put your money after you accumulate some. Very cool indeed. And they also have deals and stuff in this app too. You can get money back from hotels, book a hotel and get up to 40% cash back on your stay. Very cool indeed. $32 back cash back here, Chicago, Illinois. Vegas, $27 back on an $88 per night deal. So very cool stuff. Some online offers here as well. 20% cash back here, 12% cash back there, 10% cash back, 10% cash back at Walmart, instant cash back that is. There's your Walmart again, Burger King, Adidas, and so on and so forth. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this app and stuff. Let me know what countries you're in, because some of these apps aren't available in every country. So just do that as well. Let me know where countries you're in, so I get a feel of where people are at, and I can try to redirect you in the direction for your country or whatever. Anyways, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in making some really good money, starting an online business, check out the top link in the video description as well. That link's going to give you more information about a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. Teaches the ins and outs of starting your business from the ground up on the internet. A lot of really cool stuff there. There's a large community there. Transform your ideas into profits. Build beautiful, profit-ready websites. No skills needed, no design skills needed. Proven strategies to attract loads of traffic. Really cool stuff. I've been using them since 2017. There's, you know, lots of products you can sell instantly to start making some money with. It's a really cool system, like I said, and there's helpful people there. I'll help you as well. In fact, if you use my link, I'm going to be connected with you instantly, and we'll be in contact and things like that. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, whatever. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. All kind of cool stuff on my channel, hundreds of videos about making money online and saving money and stuff like that, and my back catalog of videos. Check them all out, folks. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.